Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have a very late in the evening food shop. This is our last food shop before Christmas. I ordered this slot like probably 2 months ago, I think, and it was the latest one, the closest I could get to Christmas. I got it from Asda. I can't remember how much it cost. I'll put it on the screen for you, but it is now 20 to 10. He wasn't actually supposed to be here until between 10 and 11, but he arrived early. He arrived about 9:30, so I've just laid it all out and I thought I would show you guys. Yeah, there's not much. There's some over there as well, but it's mainly just alcohol and drinks. So I will show you guys what we got. If you like these videos, please do give this one a great big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Depending on when you're watching this, there is lots and lots of Vlogmas giveaways, which I will link somewhere for you as well. But let's get into the shopping. Okay, so we got 2 lots of crispy mini Weet-Bix chocolate things because Foxy likes them as a snack and the girls love them for breakfast. And they're really good on Slimming World because you can have 40 grams for a healthy extra B. I got Foxy some giant What's-It. I got some poppadoms. Ari likes these and they're also good on Slimming World. Again, anything that I can, I do know the sins of, I'll just put on the screen for you guys. So a third of a pack is like 6.5 sins, so you get quite a lot for your sins. 2 lots of little baby potatoes because Foxy really likes them and I have them with soup instead of bread. We got some limes. They feel quite alright actually. Sometimes you get limes and they're like rock hard, they feel quite nice. I got some oranges. Oh, they're juicing oranges. I didn't mean to get them. I was meant to get normal oranges, but I'm sure they'll be fine. I've got some grapefruits to try. I always see people eating grapefruit and they're like, oh my god, it's amazing, but it's really gross, but we'll see. I got some milk. We will definitely have to go to the supermarket again, probably on Christmas Eve, for more milk, just because Foxy has milk in his bottle. And then the girls have it in their cereal and everything, so we definitely will need milk and fresh fruit and veg because we just go through so much. 2 lots of bacon. This is for Christmas morning. Got some radishes. I got some for the girls to try the other day and they didn't like them, but I really liked them, so I got some more. I didn't order this ham, I ordered a different ham and this is what they've sent instead. And it looks a little bit fatty for me, but Ben will eat it, I'm sure, and Mika. I got some sprouts because Ben's mum and dad like them on Christmas Day. I got some chipolatas. We have got like shopping. I've got like a click and collect of like 5 things from Marks and Spencer's food range, and like they've got little sausages wrapped in bacon. But these are for extras because Ben and his dad and the kids all like sausages, so that'll be extra with Christmas dinner. Got some Yorkshire puddings because although I will be making my own Yorkshire puddings on Christmas Day, my children are weird and prefer these ones because I don't know why, they just do. Cucumber. I asked for raspberries, but they sent blueberries, so I'm hoping, I think Mika likes them, and we'll see if Foxy likes them. I only like blueberries if they come straight off the bush. Like, we've got a blueberry picking farm near us and they taste amazing, but I always find ones from the shop just taste of nothing, so we'll see. I got some goose fat because my brother has requested goose fat potatoes. Some full fat Greek yogurt. This is for Aria because she likes to have yogurt and cereal for breakfast. I got some Fancy Pants ice cream because I thought that would be nice with our pudding on Christmas Day. I got this because it is gluten-free and my brother is a celiac, so that's for him. And then we got waffles because we always run out of waffles. Peas, again we run out of peas. Leffy, this is my mum's partner's favourite drink and he's coming Christmas Day, so I got him a couple of bottles of that. Got some orange squash. I got some Prosecco for Christmas Day. Some cocktail sausages. Ben requested these for Boxing Day when it's just us in the house, but he loves them and Mika does too. I got myself some Choc Shot because I have been using Aria's Choc Shot Choc Pot, the chocolate spread one, and like trying to melt it to put it on things, but that is a nightmare, so I just got some of this. I got some Micados, some Aromatico tomatoes. These are my favourite ones, they are so yummy. Got Benton Borsan. He only really has this at Christmas, but he loves it. Got some posh butter. Again, this is something we only have at Christmas, and it is delicious. I got Corona, which is why we got the limes. Obviously, I haven't got Corona, but you know. Eggs. I got myself some Fancy Pants cheese. Wykes Farm vintage cheddar. It looks really nice. 2 lots of mozzarella. 3 bottles of diet lemonade. A bottle of vodka. Some garlic dough balls for Aria. 2 lots of orange juice, smooth. 2 lots of unsweetened Khalifa almond milk. This is my favourite. I don't think I can use this as a healthy A, which is annoying, but I only really have it in coffee and tea, so it is negligible. And then some squirty cream, just because the kids love it and we go through a lot of it. So that is the shopping. I'm going to put it all away, go to bed, and then I will chat to you in the morning and we can have a chat about our Christmas food plans and stuff. Yeah, I'll talk to you in the morning about food plans for the rest of Christmas, and hopefully it's weigh day tomorrow, so hopefully in the morning I'll come back and I'll have lost my first week of Slumming World. Hey guys, so I'm very aware that my hair has changed colour from the start of this video. We're just gonna have to get over that. It's happened. Yeah, so it's I just showed you guys the food shop, and I thought I would have a little chat about what we're having to eat this week. Yesterday me and Ben had risotto again, just because we love it, and it's just on Slimming World. It's free and speed, and then an A choice, so it's just a really nice easy one. I made double the recipe, so we've got that again today for lunch if we fancy it. Or you can turn it into arancini balls, which are maize balls. I'll link a recipe down below that I use. Yeah, it's the 23rd today. We haven't really meal planned yet this week, but for breakfast I think I'm going to have baked oats, and then for lunch I'm planning some kind of salad because we've got some new potatoes that are cooked, and then dinner I imagine probably be some kind of pasta, because I feel like I've not had pasta in a little while. Like pasta with I like chopping up cauliflower so it's the same size as the pasta, and then adding in loads of other veg and then a cheese sauce. And I use the Seriously Strong spreadable, which is a healthy A, and I just melt that and use that as my cheese sauce. But you could use quark, which is nothing, it's just free. Or Laughing Cow extra light. You can have 6 of those for an A, and I know people melt those into a sauce. And tomorrow's Christmas Eve. I'm not planning to go insane at Christmas and just like eat everything. I'm going to try and plan my meals as slim and well friendly as possible, and then if I just want some snacks and stuff around those meals, then I'll have that, if that makes sense. I don't want to undo all the hard work that I've done this week. I don't really see the point just for a week. I mean, just because it's Christmas I can eat crap any day if I want to. I don't just have to eat it at Christmas, if that makes sense. But I have got myself some peanut butter cups that I wanted to try, and what else have I got to try? Oh, treeslets, obviously. I'm not going to try those. I know I love them, but they're like I love those as a snack. So I think I'll probably just stick to meals and then just have some nice treaty snacks, if you get my drift. Christmas Day we've got an Aldi or a Lidl, I can't remember which one, like a turkey parcel. So it's like wrapped in bacon with stuffing in the middle, and then I'll make roast potatoes. I just do normal, I don't do goose fat because goose fat makes me sick, unfortunately. As delicious as it is in potatoes, it makes me vomit. And then I've got Marks and Spencer's Dauphinoise potatoes coming, cauliflower cheese coming. You might be like, oh my god, you lazy cow, but I literally batch cook and scratch cook every single day. So Christmas, if I can make it easier, I will do. we've got like the pine cone pudding to Marks and Spencer's. I'll put one on the screen, they're so cute. We had them last year, and this year when I did my order I let the girls choose what pudding they wanted and they chose them again because they liked them. Christmas Day morning we've got my mum here and we're having bacon croissants. We won't have a dinner on Christmas Day because we'll have our Christmas lunch, like we have it about 3 in the afternoon, so then that sort of does us for the day. Boxing Day we're having a spaghetti bolognese, which is a Slimming World friendly meal. I make mine Slimming World anyway, so we're having that. And then the 27th, how far am I going? That's 4 days from now, 27th, I don't even know when my days are. I'll probably just have, make like a leftover, like with all the roast dinner stuff, you can like mash it into like a bubble and squeak kind of thing and just have that with fried eggs, that'd be nice. Yeah. It's not like a set in stone meal plan over Christmas, but you saw the shop, and again it wasn't a very Christmassy shop. Cause yeah, that's the meal plan. It's not anything exciting this week. But hopefully I can still get another loss next week. So yeah, that was the Christmas food shop and a little bit of a meal plan. So I hope you all have a lovely Christmas and I will see you soon. Bye guys.